Hello friends, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your iPhone battery drain problem. So how we can fix it. So let's start the video without wasting time. I'm Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tech. So friends, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe first and press bell icon for more updates. So firstly, open your Safari and tap here Store, Box, Plus, .vip. Tap on Go. So scroll down. You can see here Battery Pro option. So tap on Install. Wait few seconds. So friends, our Battery Pro is installing. Wait few seconds. Tap on Allow. Tap Close. And now go back. Now open your settings. Now you can see here Profile downloaded. So tap on Profile downloaded. And now tap on Install. Enter your passcode. So tap on Next, tap on Install, tap on Install, tap on Done, go back, so you can see here Battery Pro is installed our application and fix drain problem of your iPhone battery. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you know how to fix drain battery problem in your iPhone. Very easy. If the video is helpful for you, please subscribe and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.